If for some reason you haven't heard about our company before, then Genesis is a brand making quality gamers products on a reasonable budget. And today we'll be talking about Radeon 720 headset, and you will be surprised how much you can get for so little. The headphones arrive to you well packed in a cardboard box. On the back of the packing you can notice a brief description of the most important features in 15 languages. And we will talk about these features in a moment, but let's focus on the quality of the product first. I am a really big fan of the design of this thing. I know that the design is a personal thing, but I'm sure that many of you will appreciate the mixture of the modern industrial lines with a little bit of more classic and smooth look of the rest. Also, all the parts are well folded together, so you don't need to worry about the irritating creaks or noises. The headband should fit to the shape of your head well, and the ear cups are big and comfortable. For me personally, it is always hard to find a headset that wouldn't hurt my protruding ears. God damn it, that's a hard word. And I can guarantee that if you have a similar problem to mine, this little thing can make you very happy. But let's get back to the point. There are two more features that I want to mention. First is long braided cable, very useful thing. If you are a PC gamer, 2 meters cable is more than enough. Also, it is very simple to use because all you need to do to set it up is to connect it to your USB port in your PC. Windows should automatically download all the necessary drivers for you. And if it does and you still can't hear a thing, just check this little knob on the side. It will let you easily set the volume to the desired level without leaving the game. Also, the 7.1 virtual sound is a useful thing when it comes to gaming, isn't it? I mean, in competitive gaming like Counter-Strike or Fortnite, it is important to know where is your enemy without seeing one on the screen. And well, Radeon is doing pretty good job here. But you may ask, what the hell, Alex? We are talking about gaming gear, but I can't see any microphone. And how am I supposed to communicate with my team or call them stupid fuck? And you'll be right, it is kinda tricky to find it at first. Usually, you'd be looking for some pointy object to adjust close to your mouth. Or a piece of plastic on the cable. But not this time. The microphone is present on this headset indeed, right here on the left ear cup, and the sound quality is better than many of you may expect. You don't trust me? Here's the sample. And my viewers were never really complaining about the quality of the sound, but usually there is just 3 of them. And finally, the most important feature, because who really cares about the build and sound quality when you can have these sexy LEDs? Oh, beautiful red color, like the hell in which your in-game enemies will rot. You can't unfortunately program the color, it is just red, but it looks exceptionally good. Nice little touch if you are streaming with the camera on, but even without it, it's just enjoyable to look at it. And if you wonder how much does it cost, let me tell you. You can buy it today in the UK on Amazon for less than £40, which is about 46 euros or $51 US. Or you can go to our website genesiszone.com and you can find your closest reseller. Thank you for watching and see you next time!